So let's take a look at some operations with categories. Right now I have two domains. One of them is called personal, the other one is called programming. And the programming domain is already selected. If I look under categories, there is only one option left, only one option available, which is create. So I will create a category and I will call it C#. The code should be CS. And then for the display name, I will go with C#. This checkbox is shared has no meaning right now. It will be very useful in the next version, but for now it's useless. So let's leave it alone. And I will just press OK. And right here I have a new category created. This is the display name C#. So let's keep creating more categories. The next one I will call it HTML. For the code, I will just type uppercase HTML. Since they are categories, they will be automatically converted to lowercase letters, so I don't care. So HTML, and then I will create one more category called Python. So pretty much the same procedure, create Python, py, and Python here. And as you can see right now, I have 3 categories. Let's go and create a few more categories under the personal domain. So first of all, I will have to switch from the programming domain to personal. And the first category that I will create, I would call it jobs. Pretty much everything will be jobs, including the code. This is just for demo purposes. It's really less important if they are real categories or not. And then I will create another category called finance. And for the code, I will go with fin and finance for display name. And let's switch back to the programming domain because I have like more categories. So for example, right now, the Python category is selected, and if I click on view, I will see all the features that make up this category, like the long name, the code, and the display name. If I want to edit, like for example, let's say that maybe I did something wrong, or maybe I want to change the code. I can change the code to PYT. So I will make the modification, I will press OK. And now I can go back and take a look to make sure that the modification took effect. No, I want to go to view. So yes, indeed, it's PYT, but let's put it back the way it was before. That's what I want. So I will go to update, take out the letter T, and then press OK again. So far I have seen create, I have seen update, I have seen view. Let's take a look at delete. So right now, the Python category is selected. And if I click delete, I will be prompted for a confirmation if I want to delete it. I will just say OK. And if I look in the category selection, I will see that the Python category is gone. Let's put it back because I might need it later. So I will create it. Pretty much I will use the same information I used before. And then press OK. There is another feature here that says save to text. This one is very useful when you want to save articles to text. Since I don't have any articles right now, I will not be able to show it to you. But if we look again, I created a category, updated the category. Let's take a look and let's move them. Let's move a category from one domain to another one. And basically, like when you move a category, you are moving the category and all the articles inside. Right now, I don't have any articles, but I will show you how you can move categories from one domain to another. So let's select HTML. Let's say that I made a mistake. It shouldn't be under programming. It should be under personal. So I will just say move to personal, press OK. confirmation message. I will press OK. And right now the category is gone from the programming domain. And if I look on the personal domain, I will see that it is here. This is just for illustration purposes, so let's put it back the way it was. So I will go back and move it to programming because that's where it should be, in my opinion. So let's take another look to make sure that we have shown all the features. I showed you create, update, move, delete, view, and save to will be shown later.